come all the way from Canada for this. She from Clarendon and she come all the way here for this and we're going to enjoy it all day today.
People, the two will come here first every year. As the first something ready, we have to test it.
Everything has sauce, you know.
Everything has sauce.
Everything has sauce, man. You know, there's freedom brand and sauce, one dan sauce. That's what I mean. Yeah, man. From last year, this is sauce a bit.
This is it again at the biggest river food festival here in Jamaica. This is the Rio Grande right here, and that's the sea over there. So the river meet the sea, or the sea meet the river. And look what I want inside of the kitchen. It's pretty early in the morning and stuff already start preparing because them start from breakfast go straight up to lunch menu. Crazy wild stuff on this menu, and we have to experience that again. So we're gonna head inside the kitchen. Pots start bubble already, tons of stuff start prepare already. But this is what I want. And we see a crazy rainbow over here, so I want to see if I can show you. Look there, man. Look on the rainbow there, man. Oh my God, what a beautiful sight. See the kitchen right there, so. See the rainbow there right there, so. Yeah, man, right in our sight. We're going inside the kitchen right now.
I drop him, I grab the money drop.
So how if you drop in your pocket?
You know, so I'm ready to come down fast and see you. Money drop, yeah? Pocket of gold.
One a rub it down and one a rub it blood. One a rub it down and one a something else. Alright. Bad chef.
Up in my bro, fully in the man.
Well, chef,
that
man.
Is it, man. Go and prep some saltfish, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
That's it, man. Money na using? Using? 7 money na using.
See the wildness. Do it from early this year. Oh yeah. That's the amazing pork and wild hog started very early this year, because that thing takes so long to cook, so they must start it earlier this year. It's pretty early in the morning and that's ready. Crazy, that smells so good. I think that's the first meat so far. Crazy vibes in the morning. And remember, this is the only place you can actually pull up to get that amazing bussu soup see the pot there over there, so that big pot you see over there, that amazing bussu soup mixed with crayfish and sometimes even that river shrimp, we call them janga. So sometimes three of them, that crayfish, that janga and that bussu. This is the only place you can actually find in Jamaica to try that, and recommend coming here to try that. Crazy vibes. Event is just starting. Well, it's not even started, it's just the kitchen. I have to keep rolling from early because them go from breakfast go straight up to lunch, and we're there for the entire time. It's just a crazy experience. And we're there again. Yeah, man. This is one of the only kitchens that I've actually been to that have them own little mini mart. Them literally have a mini mart inside this kitchen, like all of the food stuff, all the ground provisions you can think of, all the every seasoning that they need, whether it be powdered seasoning or ground seasoning, every single thing that you can think of that is in a shop. If you go towards cooking, them have that here inside of the kitchen. Tons of stuff, no joke.
No joke. That's a human a cool bar.
That's the say bussu soup for them again.
Yeah. One more year again, you know?
Oh God. Yeah, give your thanks, alright?
Yeah.
Oh yes.
You know?
Bussu soup and goated. They are for them. Alright.
Lining up. You know?
Lining up. Yes, man.
Yeah. Yeah, make dumpling but not a pot. You have chat someone.
Good old bussu, yeah. Fresh. Yes. Oh my God, man.
Fresh from the river.
Fresh. Whoa. Tell them so them to come try bussu, you know.
Yeah, come and have a look at
and
it.
this is actually the natural color from the bussu. So don't watch the color of the water. This is actually the color from the bussu itself. Yeah, man. Amazing.
Another heavy water there, you know.
Take off the regulator with work on it and it can't find the old regulator. Full of time.
And I put
What minute, boss? Shelly, give me four of them. Carrot and 4 and 5. Come on, man. Yeah, look. Put it. How are you? I'm with it. Yeah, man. See them now. Scallion,
Bravo.
Scallion. Me fiata for that.
How are you? What is that, man? I'm going to fantasy, man. Man, I try to there no hot water.
Hot water, my you. Then I say, pork.
So I'm going to lay on the frying pan to cook up that here. As I'm done with it, I go want it.
This one I'm going to my lane frying pan.
Yo! You don't want to fry fritters then?
Can I get back my friend? Can I give me the next level of them chop up, you know? And number one, me now buy them then I go to chop up my water. That's on my mind.
Amazing technique, Rasta.
Yeah, man, you know.
Yeah, the technique, the hand movement.
You the
hand yeah, the hand movement.
Love food, you know what I mean?
True.
Yeah, man, we not rush it, man. Make him go and steal the right way. Yeah, man. Take your time with it, you know?
I know curry I pepper is flat.
Lento. Can I buy? Come here. You have to take it to me.
So this is a feel good pot.
Yeah.
Nice piece. I rock this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Turn him over there and see. Yes. That me I talk about. A nice piece of rock there. Amazing piece of rag right there, right from out of the goat belly. You see that texture and that you see how that look. That just look like a real bathing rag, and that's one of the nicest part about having goat soup, getting a piece of that rag. Yo, man, tell you, man.
When this turn can't go, you miss.
And the nicest thing in the soup, you know, man, fire, man. The rag there, you know. Oh, God.
I get it right, you know?
Yes. And remember, Rasta is not a meat man, and every single year him goes pro at making sure the people them get that amazing goat soup and also that bussu soup. Yo, the pot them big enough. These pots are huge. Don't make the camera trick, you know. Don't make the camera trick, you know. These pots are huge pots. Big. And this is some rag up there, some goat rag I cut up right about now. Crazy vibes. So going in good in a mannish water. Yeah, man, that's right. That's a proper way to say it. Mannish water.
Good old ram goat.
Oh yeah. Yeah man. Yeah man.
Everything mixed, supposed to mix. No. One of them.
No man, you know I need to go in at that yet.
So, tell you how much you have.
Nobody can go in there. Hasan, come in Hasan.
Baka time this.
Apanta pa ya sambil. Apanta pa this. Wait for me to tell me nothing.
Tidak mama.
What do you do over this? Get a chefing pan for chicken, ba.
Yeah, that ready? Get the fire, man, boy.
Yeah. Up there. I don't know what they're oil. Chow.
Yo! You want it? Yeah, man. There you are 5. Oh, where are you now? You already bought. Give it couple minutes. So there's something there. A banana alone there. Oh, you don't. Hassan.
Yeah?
I don't
Eh?
It's goat skin, this well scraped, you know. With a
Well
waste.
scraped.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Skin on him, you know.
Yeah.
Nothing with no waste.
Nothing at all.
It's all start, you know. Mannish water.
Yeah, I know goat soup, you know. A mannish water, that's the right name, true?
Yeah. Mannish water.
Yeah. We don't want to hear about goat soup. Mannish water.
Yeah.
That's the right name to call it. Yeah.
Plant now, Japan now. plant in the morning.
Yeah. What people them out there go and what feed,
Yeah,
you know?
man. I'm line out there for man.
Auntie, this off with it.
Just have a little night. So when I make this up,
Dung. Yeah? It's done already? Yeah? Yeah. I mean, I'll tell you some stuff in
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. I just hope you don't put in there. I put the ackee in and I put them by the boat. Come again? I don't want to keep them on.
Plantain?
Yeah. That's already in. Who get them?
People, the two will come here first every year. As the first something ready, I have to test it. So, saltfish look at. Brilliant. Then I clean the suit from Portland. Took out our flask. August 15, I'm my actual birthday. So make sure you're full up before your place get full up. Yeah, I can feel full up.
Hold on. One of them, then done. Give money broke up banana one. 5 breakfast, right? Come here, 5 breakfast. One already? We don't have a problem.
People, the food just reached Pon De River, Portland. It's a yearly thing. If you never book a ticket yet for any other event, the one that even a bad man can prevent. Every Easter Sunday, don't make mistake and think it's a Monday. It's a Easter Sunday. Watch your food. It's a chicken back. All who they are foreign, I watch this and I know chicken back. Look.
I don't have time when time run fire me I have friends. They don't know me otherwise.
Father Shaban, the team, big up. Pon De River with them.
Talk about Rasta, I know you come inside and me with the poor.
Plant or something there. Huh?
Shelly.
Flat.
Put more flat in there.
Take your time.
No, tell me Monday or Sunday, tell me not tomorrow. I don't know which day name.
How are you? How are you? Why not? Get out of plan. Yeah. A good Jamaican canned pork. Yeah, active.
Hey, baby, hey! Come here, baby. I'm sure you want to play on the future. Hey, uncle, baby, I can't control.
Yeah, I did that. That come on. I want me to
biggest pot come out there. 55. 55.
One piece in a bigger price, come buy it. Let me know what bigger five. Bigger five, you're rich.
Guys, hold on, sit down. You know, one Pon De River. Eat that. One Pon De River. One Pon De River. I clean this food from Portland. We do it every year. Take you next year. It's not a free party. You have to pay for it. It's not a free event. Don't forget my party. August 15. Don't make mistake and think of the 16th. It's August 15.
Pepper?
Yeah, alright. Just want tender rice some more. Alright.
I know, I'm not sure no water from there. You know what? Fathers Day come around again, you know. Every dance we come see you with one big fat girl and you can't breathe one of them.
It's at the reindeer this, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
That's deer meat right there. Just gone on the fire.
See you lot. You don't be there, you don't be there. You don't be far away. Watch your camera, you know, man. Long time, long time, long time. Long time you don't be there. Ain't can catch it, boo. Hassan, I want to put in a goat pot, you know. I remember say Irish them make salad too. The woman come peel 3 more. Take up one. Come se sta adesso?
Yeah, what have we put them in?
No, just cut up a portion and drop it on there.
No, pot now.
Yeah.
No, no space for that, man.
Eh?
No person. Carry your person.
No matter what you're not doing.
This is the last time. Go up the fire. You don't want more? There's enough food. I want to stop me up.
Mostly, no?
Yeah.
Final touch target, you know.
And some goodies for the bussu.
Yeah.
You have to check up at station. Oh, Jamie.
Yeah.
Let's have it score first before the rest of them go in. Ginger and all of them. Yeah, man, put ginger and rice.
Those cooking.
More than that, you know.
Now, so when you put in a goat already?
Yeah. Put some more in there. The bottom. There are tops. Yeah, man, anything with the bottom.
Carry
Hold
it.
it. You want little water, where hot water there. Get little hot water control it. The water now in there.
Come on, first off the top.
Coconut juicy bussu.
Yeah, man.
I one of them.
No, just one of them Dutchy there and put it right between the two pot them.
Then I'll pitch it.
Did you trade ginger in this?
Everything there.
Shower?
Tell them I can't wait till there's something done out of and then they might come for them. You have to light back the stove.
I really wait that because show that expensive.
Then once I finish, wait, we're gonna check back some. So sorry.
Salt, man, salt.
Nice soup.
Yeah.
Nice bussu soup.
Bussu soup. And I want a whole heap of fire.
No. What do you want to do? Yeah, push it to the front where you're going to stand up. Come with the rest side. Nothing in there. No water in there.
Show it. What's another time? One of them.
Show your side tonight. Give me.
Yeah, one for
Hold
me.
it. Onion and pepper. Chong! 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 Hassan wants some hot water here.
Show you the water that boil up.
You don't want to know what it is, so can you see where you get that?
Good old wild on here. Yeah.
And the blood test?
Time on have to cook garbage, you know, must pick up garbage then time. Water.
Just start coming there.
Reindeer there, here. You come here, skull. And cook you on the outside there, you know, for our own. What else ready? Brownstew. Alright, don't worry yourself.
I see him thing him tell me last year.
Come.
When you know say me encourage the boss tell him say don't come back next year, do what you want.
No, let me see this.
Oh, really? I think I joke. You know when we're not finished.
You want me to tell you, brother? Bevin, I know me a sharing. Over there, say food they were sharing. Bevin, yes, when the woman say, how it tastes? Say like ice cream. You know what flavor? Rum and raisin.
The police, you see one of nasty police. No dirty cops, man.
Come on.
We come all the way from Canada for this. Me from Portland locally, and my lady here, she from Clarendon, and she come all the way here for this. And we're going to enjoy it all day today.
Amazing.
Yeah, man.
You know what?
Final touches for the goat pot.
Ready.
Hey dear, coming on.
Reindeer now, yeah man. So get tenderized and okay, you can see say bone them a leave, you see what I mean?
Yeah.
So everything are tenderized up, you know.
Oh yeah, as soon as that bone take it time start leaving
Right.
meat.
You know, see a vegetable, it a vegetable up.
Yeah.
And ready for serve. Yeah man, a wild deer this one.
Straight from out of Portland.
Straight from Portland, that's what I mean. Fully man. Special this here.
Yeah.
I Brandon sauce.
Yeah,
this
I know.
is it. Yeah man, I eat this one.
Alright.
The final touch, you know. Stir them up bad though.
Wicked mixture, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
There's a different fragrance here.
Oh, yeah. That's great. Chef Brandon right there, all the monster. Crazy. So we'll try some of that plantain. The sauce when we put on that plantain, something different. So the boss of the mixture, just show some of that in that goat pot. Yeah, man. Rum in for that funny for a man, you know. Rum.
I can jump here, go jump through a window or something.
Don't think about that. Azan. Don't think about that. Done? Ano? Done? Ako yung photo ko na puti na.
See what one. Can I just go on it?
Pepper in it.
One. Today I use my kitchen and some cooking. Eh?
I reindeer here. Brownstew reindeer.
Yeah, we see all this over YouTube. Maybe. But that's the other one. No man, next, yeah, next. Yeah.
The conch ready.
Man with the strong
Good, sir. So what shape is man?
What shape?
What have ketchup?
Dito yato.
Come here, so a man just come here with some sandwich also.
That right there is the signature barbecue Magnum wild hog. Only in Portland alone I can afford to get this. Yo, one of a kind. That's the vibe.
Digo, where is it?
Where is it?
What's the wet them?
Wet what? Shell it. Put them go in the wet.
The upside down.
Rasta.
Martin Mary's them now.
Yeah, rinse them out and come with them.
Yeah, man. 10 strong, you know?
Can I get some pumpkin on this please?
About 15 minutes. It's sauce, then just go Magnum and just right out. Yeah, man, the rice and fish are going on.
Where you lock that there?
Cut them up and chop them in the bag.
Alright, Rasta. Alright, thank you. No, one bag. Just one bag alone in there.
This is done to Paga, one chicken and we go.
Run down.
What's the lamb?
You see the great sauce.
Yeah, the great sauce, man. You know, have a special yes, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir. You can see different, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can see different tonight, man.
True.
A special this, you see me?
Yeah, man.
It's a 1 year old, you know.
Oh yeah.
From last year, you see me?
For real?
Ferment now, yeah.
Wow.
So I carry out the special fish show, you see me? Yeah, man.
Just send that little bit.
Yeah, right now.
Yeah. You want that? Yeah. Like your pot and your fire and all you. Yo! Can one of them pot they come to me? I use 2 pots. Where you put that? The next 4?
Yeah.
Peter! You are here about Chicago? Big one! Come with it now.
Can I get 2 bussu?
Nice.
We don't have no more stuff there, wild banana.
Respect, man.
Feel all that banana them with there. No, man, I say no more in our pot. Cook. We done. One. Shaba. I'll give our pot. Hello. How you call it good? Like the small 46 too.
Oh, the 500 cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The small 46 guy call it good. No. I'm trying to put the grape. I'm trying to fry grape. I'm trying to this can do it. No, man, you're not going to Yeah. Supplementa chino down there.
Oh, see that side? Yeah, that's her.
How are you? Wine guy. I'm to make now the drink. I want 5
Red. Yes. Ready, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Dean, pour it. Mary.
Oh, like I said, Baba, don't turn.
Mary.
Play out. Yeah? So no more pork not there. Pork not there.
What that is here, but we don't know what it is.
Pork not you put up the wire.
No more than that.
You don't know. Me have a Let's take left him, man. Left, you know? We don't need to weekend then when I can laugh.
You gotta make the taste, you know.
Nothing around. Find ginger and shredded grape. Here I soul ready. Next 10 minutes, rice ready. I put you like a blow-up. 3:30 to come in, Mr. Calio, Mr. Calio, I know.
No side in the middle.
The side of the Martin.
Plantain.
White rice and peas something.
Rice.
What is it?
I don't see those. I am coming. No. I am coming.
The Maggi seasoning. Yeah, all purpose. Yeah.
Both one.
Yeah, man, let us stir around.
Great, Shabba.
Yeah, man. But they here one more year, you know.
Yes, man.
2026.
2026.
The outturn tremendous, you know.
Yeah.
And
Crazy.
chances everybody sit around.
Oh
and enjoy
yeah,
their
the
favorite
plate, the
dish.
venue is amazing.
And the venue is amazing.
Oh yeah.
You see the decoration and things like that.
Kitchen ablaze.
And the kitchen as usual blazing.
Oh yeah.
Everybody busy.
Food.
Bartender busy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and if you look, this year we have the kids street. So you can see one of the clowns that come in today.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's a change that never happened the year before.
No, this is the first time.
Oh.
And we're looking forward to next year, our 30th anniversary.
Oh, 30th.
Yeah, from 1997
Wow.
until 2027, 30 years.
Shabba,
Yeah.
you know, a whole heap of people no remember, more you give them a run on how this thing actually started again with you and your friends and one thing, yo.
Yeah.
Why you give the people
As I
again?
said, they already gave that interview that we started in 1997, but
Yeah.
it was on the Easter weekend. I think it was in the summer
Yeah.
of 1997, you know.
Just a group of friends.
Just a group of friends, and we said, boy, I could put on a party, and a man just said, where, Pon De River? And I said, yeah, they know any name that we not change that.
Pon De River,
Yeah,
and that's
Pon
how
De
the name
River.
came about.
Yeah, and 30 years next year after,
Wicked.
we hope for them back on the same very spot. And we are looking for greater things. Every
Keep
year
going.
we get bigger and better.
Amazing.
And more people turn out. Everybody like the vibes. Everybody like to just relax around, have a drink, eat some of their favorite food.
That's a
And, you
vibe.
know, it's just great to be here with the people them
Again.
and knowing that they might enjoy themselves. you know.
Again.
But one other issue is that we've been searching for some form of sponsors from corporate Jamaica, but you know we find it hard to get somebody to sponsor this event.
Yes, you feel the next one going to be better though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we hope somebody come aboard for next year so that we can
For the
have it
30th.
bigger and better.
For the 30th and oh yeah. Crazy vibes.
So
People, food, vibes.
everything. So
Great, Shabba.
how we go as usual.
That's cool, man.
Give thanks.
Yes, man.
Bless.
This is a JW sugar cane juice, you know. Not located in a Port Antonio, you know.
I say a JW.
JWS sugar cane juice.
Oh.
You know, we have beetroot and ginger, pine and ginger, lime and ginger, straight cane juice, plum
All
and
natural.
ginger, all natural.
Yeah.
And we sell jelly water too. You understand? And the location just as you pass Bayshore Plaza, right around the corner from the tire shop.
Nice.
Everything natural, man.
Go on, I road, man. You say sauce, I'm get a touch out of it too.
Yeah,
Oh,
everything a sauce, you know.
everything has sauce.
Everything a sauce, man, you know. Same Brandon sauce, one Dan sauce. That's what I mean. Yeah, man, from last year, this a sauce a built. You know, some barbecue potato go up on the grill soon, that's what I mean. Yeah, man. So we have a service with some jerk chicken or any other side in the morning to it.
The last one.
So the fritters go down, the car is hot up the floor, hot up the we can ensure that, you know,
We know that. We know that.
I joke, man, I love it.
Make sure they fire underneath the food.
Pork chop. Why not do that? Pork chop that will cook it out. Where pressure pot?
Yes, I use 20.
Oh, you see 2 bucks.
Yes, I use 20 pound of rice, 1 to cook 2 pound of rice.
Shut up, more. 1 to push 2 pound.
Ready sheep was yesterday? Yeah. Ready one day?
You want sweet potato?
Fried chicken chop. Carrot pan comes first.
The boy can't cook down here.
Throw water in that. Throw. Stop. One ginger.
This is it right here. Original bussu.
From the Rio Grande.
From the Rio Grande.
Yeah.
And that crayfish.
And crayfish.
Also from the Rio Grande. Amazing vibes.
Yeah.
And them said it's good for man also.
Yes.
So for everybody who never tried bussu yet,
Yeah,
I tell them forward come try it.
You have to come to Portland next year.
Half forward.
Same time, same place.
Same time, same place.
Yeah.
Come try some bussu.
Come try some busses.
Amazing. This is it right here. First touching of that bussu soup. And this is super hot. It's still on the fire right here, ablaze, because that have to keep over the heat, because you know people continuously coming back for that soup, so that have to stay over the heat to keep warm. But this is super hot and super flavorful. Before you even taste this, you can actually smell that flavor. Oh, and you know a lot of people actually eat to them eye first. So, you know, once the pot look good, food tastes good. Yeah, man. Oh. Yo, flavor for days. Oh my god. Amazing vibes, and this now have a ton of stuff in it. Super rich texture, and it have that spinach in it, that yam, that breadfruit mince up in that to get that body, and it just have that right texture and the right flavor. Just a bounce right on the Rio Grande. See there?
It can stew, cooking a rundown, coconut juice, curry. Yeah.
So much things you can do with that bussu. You can even curry that. You can, as it, you know, your Rasta sound, you can curry that, and you can stew that, cook that in a rundown. So much stuff you can do with that bussu. And the texture is amazing. Once you start tasting that bussu, it's just bouncy in your mouth. Just a pop flavor. Yo. And the music just starts up. You know the vibe. Probably have to go cut out some of that. Yeah, man.
And nice.
Alright, everybody.
Yo, it's a crazy vibe inside the kitchen. It's not sure if you not hear the music, we probably have to go cut out some of this, but that vibe in the kitchen is just crazy. If you see everybody just move, speed, if you make sure every single thing done properly, so all of the customers them will pull up can actually enjoy them food. And look on this. This is one of the stuff we never get to try the last time that I came here, and you know we'd have to wait for this year. This is the Magnum barbecue wild hog. Yo. The smell of this is just crazy. If you never yet try that wild hog, just forward to Portland, come try that wild hog. trust me, it's something different to actually try. The smell of that smell more rank than the regular hog. And we'd have to try that because the last time we came here, we never get that for try. And the other thing on the menu here that half a forward come try is that red herring fritters. That red herring fritters is just crazy. And remember, they have tons more stuff on the menu. This right here is pork chops, and this is cooked down in tons of seasoning and topped off with that Appleton. I think is Kingston 62 if I'm not lying. Correct me if me not get it correct, but I think that Kingston 62 Appleton rum. Wicked. We never tried that one yet. I will go and try that one. No, we're not even wait. Oh. Whoa. This was fried, crispy. We saw that going in that pot well seasoned, fried on, well crispy, and then pure water go up on that, we cook that down with pre-ground seasoning. We're tasting that spice. And then that final touch of the Kingston 62. Cheese and peas. Oh man. You go and take a touch out of this red herring fritters. This is amazing. It's totally different from saltfish fritters or any other fritters. This red herring fritters just packs a different type of flavor, and you know that red herring is very strong in it. So you get that red herring just a pack a punch. And this is well hot. This just come out of the pot. That red herring just give you a different flavor than the saltfish. It's more stronger. It have a more strong presence inside that fritters. Don't forget to try that gravy. Oh God. Forward up Pon De River to come try that red herring fritters. And this is their signature dish that they have every single year. You know that wild hog from Portland. Them catch that, season that, and cook on that in a Magnum. You know, Magnum is one of the hot drink here, especially for the man them. On have to come try this. When I tell you that the flavor hits different from that. All that sauce. About 4 Magnum going at this. Boy, I'm telling you, it's a flavor for this. And this is just a fraction of what they actually have on the menu. Because remember that crayfish, that curry crayfish, some years they have crab. But this year they have that crayfish, that curry crayfish, that curry lobster, curry goat. Especially that morning session, they have crazy amount of stuff. Curry chicken back. Ackee and saltfish, ackee and corn pork, that salt mackerel run down with boiled food, you know, that all of them dumpling, banana, everything mixed up, and crazy amount of stuff on the menu for lunch also. Seafood is here and tons of meat. It's just crazy. On the half forward, come try it. And next year is gonna be them 30th anniversary. 30 years. Them actually doing this. Just a group of friends come together, cooking some food, Pon De River, and that's how they actually got that name, Pon De River. That's it. That's how them actually come up with the name. that is actually how they came up with the name Pon De River. And see it here, 30 years later, crazy food, Pon De River. Oh, wow. Amazing. You can eat this pork all day. That wild hog just packs a different flavor. I would say that is way more flavorful than the regular pork. That wild hog, man, it come like everything in the bush just soak in that meat. That's the vibe here. Pon De River. More fritters. And also, if you guys never tried that bussu soup, definitely try that bussu soup. I can tell you to say, yo, it's something amazing. Only found here in Portland. Well, I saw them say, but we've been hearing that for years now. Say, yo, bussu not find nowhere else. And only place to come and get it is in Portland. And this bussu soup is actually mixed with crayfish. This is the bussu right here. Small, tiny river snails. Bouncy in your mouth, gummy, put full of flavor. It's like that little river snail just all flavor, amazing. And when you taste that, with all of that good mixture from everything in that pot, wow. The right texture, the right flavor, and also piece of that corn. Oh. Can't go wrong. Right now, tons of vibe inside, crazy amount of people inside. The music is loud. Not sure if I pick up too much music, but boy, we just a vibe. And that's a vibe here at Pon De River. Once more. Raise the vibe. And also a good bridging pull up selling natural juices right here in Portland. I think JWS, I think I'm getting that correct. JWS, them have crazy amount of natural juice, all kind of different flavors. And a man say, yo, grab a beetroot and drink a beetroot. And let me tell you, if you can see, we actually bounced a little bit already, and that is amazing. That beetroot is amazing. If you can find them, check them out. JWS. Oh yes. More pork. That's the vibe. Oh. Yo, this pork with the skin. Oh. Weather in fritters. Vibes.